Imagine stepping into an enchanted forest, where each breath is a symphony of pure, fresh air, and every step takes you closer to a majestic waterfall. This sanctuary, where nature's heart beats in harmony with our own, offers a profound sense of calm and connection. It's here, between the gentle sway of the trees and the whisper of the waterfall, that we're reminded of the timeless beauty and healing power of the natural world. Connecting with nature, we discover a peaceful harmony that soothes the mind, heals the body, and uplifts the spirit, offering a sanctuary from the rapid pace of everyday life. Leaving the calm of nature, we step back into our homes, looking to keep that peaceful feeling alive a little longer. Our homes are our havens, and with a few touches of nature, we can make them even more welcoming. Bringing the outside in is simpler than you might think. It starts with letting in as much sunlight as we can, making our rooms brighter and warmer. Then, we add some green friends, plants that can thrive indoors, making our air fresher and our corners prettier. Using natural materials like wood and stone for our tables or decorations helps remind us of the outdoors. One of the simplest ways to bring the tranquility of nature into our homes is through the element of water. The presence of water in our living space can be incredibly soothing. The gentle sound of water trickling can transform our home into a more peaceful, calming space. Beyond just the sound, the sight of water moving can be mesmerizing, helping to reduce stress and create a sense of well-being. It's like having a little piece of that forest stream or mountain waterfall right there with you, offering a moment of escape whenever you need it. This is more than decor. It's a lifestyle choice that brings wellness and peace into your daily routine.